Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Mariovit, and in this tutorial I will show you how to upload a video on your YouTube channel. I will show you how to do it, so you may leave like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment, and let's go. Okay, so first what you need to do is enter on your account, login, and now you here have the three options on camera bell. Okay, so you click here and upload video. Wait, okay, upload video, and here you have option like drag and drop files to upload, or select files. So you may select files or just upload here a video. I'll show you, for example, okay, yes, and now you may write title required. You may add a description. Here you may add thumbnail. Select or upload a picture that shows what's in your video. You may add to the playlists and select to kids or not. You may also add tags, and they may help you, language and others. Later, if you have enabled monetization, you may write okay, submit trading. Now you may add on the ending add and end screen if you have a long video, checks, okay, and later you may select for public, schedule, private, or only for members, and that's all. And that's all. Here you have also option. If you enter in YouTube Studio, you have also here option like create, and you may upload videos. Okay, and that's all in this tutorial, so thanks for watching. You may like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment. Bye bye, and see you next time. Thanks.